Hello everyone, welcome to the core Python tutorial for absolute beginners by Slidescope. And in this tutorial we are learning what is match statement in Python. This is something that is new in Python 3.10. It was introduced in Python 3.10. So you should have this version to run this. The match statement in Python is a structural pattern matching feature that allows developers to check a value against a series of patterns executing code based on the first match. And it is similar to switch case statement found in other languages like C or JavaScript, but it is far more powerful and versatile. The syntax of match is very simple. You write match subject case pattern 1, then your code block if pattern 1 matches, case pattern 2, your code block if pattern 2 matches, case underscore code block if no pattern matches, that is the default case. So it is like if else and elif, like if subject is equal to pattern 1, then you will run that block. If it is pattern 2, then you will run that block. If it is pattern 3, then you will run that block. So subject is the value to be matched and case represents a specific pattern to match against the subject. And underscore acts as a wildcard to match anything like a default case. Let's see a basic example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this and let's open idle. In from here, go to file and we'll click a new file. Here we will paste this. Now what is happening here? We have created a variable with a value start. So command is equal to start. Now match command. What you have to do? You have to keep this indentation case. So when you will hit enter after this colon, you have to make sure that you have this indentation. So case start means if the value of command is start, then print starting. If the value of case is stop, then print stopping. And if the value of case is underscore, that means you can say unknown command. First, let's save this program. So we will save this program as match statement, as it will be saved as .py. When you will run it, so it will print is starting. It is printing is starting because the case matches command. So the case start matches it. Let's say we take user input. So we will write input here, and in input we will take this. So enter command. Let's save it and run. What if we type stop? So it will say stopping. Okay. Similarly, let's run this again. This time we will write kill. So it will say unknown command. So this is just like switch case statement, and in Python now you can use this. Okay. So that's why in our case output was starting. Then there are some powerful features of match. We can match literal values. For example, we write x is equal to 10. Match x. Case 0, print 0. Case 10, print 10. Case underscore, print other number. So here also it will print 10 because uh, for x this is the case that is defined here. Okay. Similarly, we can match data structures also. So you can match list, tuples or dictionaries as well. Here we have created a tuple data is equal to hello and 42. You can match data. So case hello 42 print exact match. Case str value int value print. Here we are printing a string str value and integer value. Let's try this. So here we are saving this and Let's run simple module. Here it is saying exact match. Why is it saying exact match? Because we have the exact match. What if we write 41 here? Okay, then it will give you the hello and integer value. It because this match is not found. That's why we are printing the str value and the integer value. Okay, and we are taking the case as str value and integer value in tuple. So str value will take hello and integer value will take the second position's value. So this is how you can do this. Then you can also match classes. So from data classes import data class. At data class you will write class point x integer, y integer, and here you will put p is equal to point 1 comma 2, and then you will write match p if point x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So you are checking it, okay, that is x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2. So we are creating a class here point, okay. So in point is x1 or y2 and y2, so it will print at 1 comma 2, point at 1 comma 2. If point is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to y value, that means this value will not match. Then it will print point with x is equal to 1 and whatever value of y is there, okay. So you can match attributes of objects such as data classes with the help of this. Wildcard and guards can also be matched here. Like underscore is wildcard that matches anything. Guard if add additional checks to the pattern. So if we write x is equal to 10, match x. Case underscore if x is equal to or if x is greater than 5. So obviously x is greater than 5 here. So it will write greater than 5, else it will write 5 or less. So I will put link to this particular article, so you can copy these commands and run for yourself, but this is something that you can try. And you can also try it on nested patterns like data is equal to key and keys value is sub key and 10. So we have created a dictionary here. Inside the dictionary we have key value pair, and the value of this dictionary is also a key value pair, okay. So we are matching data case key sub key value, so it will print its value. This is another way of printing value of the dictionary by just matching this pattern, okay. So here we have written case key. If this case matches, then print value. So print f value is value. So the use cases are parsing command line arguments, handling multiple cases for input data, simplifying nested if else or if elif chains, deconstructing complex data structures like dictionaries, tuples, or custom classes. Its advantages are it is more expressive than traditional if elif chains, provide pattern matching capabilities as we discussed, similar to functional languages like Haskell or Scala, and makes the code more readable and concise, especially when handling complex conditions. And this addition greatly enhances Python's capability for working with structured data and conditional logic. So, thanks for watching this video. Just try this from your end and see if you are able to perform it. Make sure you have the latest version of Python. You have to download it from python.org. So download and install the latest version to try this.